What is up, everyone? This is MotoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 11 23H2 update failed to install error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you can do is delete the Windows Update cache, which might be causing this issue. So you want to go to this PC, go to local disk, find Windows in here, then you're going to look for something called software distribution. Then you're going to look for something called download, and in here you're going to delete basically all of these cached folders. So just copy all of them and essentially delete them and try to do the update again. If that doesn't work, go back to your search bar and type in troubleshoot settings until you see this pop up. Click into additional troubleshooter, and in here click into the Windows Update troubleshooter and run this troubleshooter. This should fix the issue as well, but if not, we're going to go on to the final step, which is go back to your search bar, type in services until you see this pop up, type in Windows Update or just type the letter W until you see this pop up, and both of these, Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service, you're going to right click into it, go to properties, you're going to change the startup type to automatic. Basically yours might be on manual or disabled or delayed, so you want it on automatic and you want the service started. If it's not started, press start. If it's started, press stop and start it again. That's basically it. Restart your computer, you should be good to go, and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are video, please thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, get that notification on the MotoTutorials out. Peace.